An information product allows you to share your knowledge and turn it into passive income. Information products have become increasingly popular in today's digital economy. The greater emphasis on online learning and the increased availability of courses and materials over the internet has made it so that anyone can participate in the market. For content creators, this means being able to tap into another stream of revenue. Among popular industries that are perfect for information, products are the health and wellness industry. If you're passionate about fitness, nutrition, or alternative medicine, here's a comprehensive guide to launching your own health and wellness info product and helping others discover and achieve a better place in dealing with any health-related ailments. Figure out exactly which types of info products you wish to offer. Information products cover a wide range of media that you can use to communicate your ideas and expertise to your audience. Some of the options that you have at your disposal include products like online courses, ebooks, planners and worksheets, webinars, paid newsletters, coaching sessions, and more. Put simply, if the product offers your customers invaluable information, it's an info product. That being said, you don't have to stop there. You can also put together a membership site where you sell physical goods to achieve the desired results you're promoting in your information product. Once you settle on creating a health and wellness info product, there are so many different directions you can go in. It all begins with choosing one and getting started. You should always start with your customer avatar or target audience in mind to help make the best decision for this and any subsequent questions. Check out our post on Customer Avatar Worksheet if you haven't already to help you get this piece right. Gather the necessary tools and create your info product. After you've decided which type of info product you want to create and what topic you're going to cover, the next step is to go through the process of creating said offer. This process will require a great deal of time, so it's important to map out your product and figure out what tools you need to produce something that will get your customers excited. For example, if you plan on creating your own online course, taking the time to develop a list of materials for your students, investing in items like a new webcam and a high-quality USB microphone, and modeling your course after other successful creators will help you achieve the best possible outcome when you've finished your project. In some cases, you may want to consider using private label rights content as a means to get pre-written content for your business that you can publish as is or modified to meet your specific needs for the health and wellness industry. Whether you choose to build everything from scratch, find tools and outlines to make the process easier when creating your info products, or purchase high-quality, already written content for your audience, creating a comprehensive plan for the creation process is crucial to your overall success during your launch. Establish your marketing strategy and marketing materials. Your new health and wellness info product is not the type of product that you can simply add to your store and begin selling. Every launch requires you to generate buzz and interest before its launch. This means creating a comprehensive marketing strategy and accompanying marketing materials so that you're ready to get your audience, affiliates, and internal team excited and ready about your product in advance. In regards to copy, direct response marketing can be leveraged through sales pages and funnels to drive paid ads and better target your ideal customers and encourage them to take action immediately. Prior to your launch, this means directing them to a landing page explaining your product and encouraging them to sign up pre-launch. This is commonly referred to as a pre-sale page. You can even have customers not only sign up to express interest, but pre-purchase at a special discount to generate revenue before you even complete the product. Another important tool you can use to convince new prospects to purchase your information product is to offer up case studies and customer testimonials of people who have already purchased your services or products in the past. This is extremely useful in establishing trust and providing social proof. If you're launching a new product, then it should be a top priority to collect these testimonials and/or pay or incentivize your current customers to provide such testimonials in exchange for a free product discount on a future product. Given that the health and wellness industry is so saturated by coaches and other businesses, this can serve to separate you from competitors offering similar products or services. Finally, you should highlight some of the benefits that come with your information products. For example, let's imagine that you have decided to create an online course for your audience. Try highlighting the results of taking the course, the key components that make your course so great, and additional benefits like a money-back guarantee or a free trial audit of your course. Launch your business with the right tools for your business. An all-in-one CRM like Webforce.io was created to provide you with a solid foundation that will streamline your workflow and help make your launch a success. Creating the landing pages. developing e-courses and membership sites, and testing the results of your marketing efforts is an extensive process. Unfortunately, this can be complicated when you have to rely on numerous tools and systems to get the job done. WebForce's all-in-one CRM goes above and beyond traditional CRM products to help you optimize your marketing, sales, and operations strategy. First, create stellar landing and sales pages for your sales funnel. Develop your own membership site and e-course platform to sell your digital products, and even improve your outbound customer service strategy. Not only can you sell online and take payments, automatically grant access to your customers and deliver your product, but fully automate your email marketing and work on improving front-end conversions, all from the same portal. We've been under the hood for many of the most successful businesses, and having this piece completely covered has been the difference between a $1 million launch and mediocre results from a ton extra work and effort that could have been avoided. If you're looking to launch your own health and wellness information product and need a reliable solution that can help you prepare for your launch, learn what WebForce.io can do for you and book a demo for our all-in-one CRM today.